Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, it's David here. In this video, I'm going to share with you one research activity which was conducted in a university setting and it focuses on mobile collaborative learning. Hope you enjoy it.
Well, okay, so this is the title of the research that I did with my research team. There are 3 points that I would like to talk about in this presentation. First being the introduction, second being the review, and last one is going to be reflection, which contains the findings, discussion, and also conclusion. Now let's get started with the first one, the introduction. Well, basically, as what we have found in the literature, the MAL or Mobile Assisted Language Learning has established very strong foundation in English language learning. First is MAL helps to establish holistic language learning. It is quite clear that mobile device helps teachers to integrate all language domains and components at play, and this therefore helps teachers to make the learning more adaptable, which means more empowerment for students at any level, be it beginner students or advanced students. Another point is the safe environment. Mobile device helps teacher and students to create a positive environment to increase students' engagement because students like it, because students find that mobile device is very personal and very personalized and adaptable to them. And eventually, students and teacher find more positive attitude and also stronger motivation to online language learning and also to the use of mobile device. This is safe environment which leads to positive attitude. And if you would like to focus on how we create online language learning through mobile device, there are 6 activities or 6 core components that we have to take into account. First being the subject, so who are the learners and what's the level? Second, we have to take into account the object, what are the objectives of our online course? And we also think about the regulation, the class rules, procedures, and paces. Of course, we have to think about the tools. What are the instruments and tools required for online class? And there is also the context. What are the social and physical setting of the class? Like the goals, the cultures, and the mindset of the students. Last one is the communication. So what sort of communication is run? Is it going to be textual communication? Is it visual communication or multimodal communication? Point 2 is the method. So this is the setting of my study. There were 12 classes consisting of students aged 18 to 21 years old, and the class was run from March to May in 2020. There were like 62 males and 313 females, and most of them were at B1 level. The learning activities were geared to drills on formal features, content-driven project, and collaborative works. And there were 3 main data collections, which included online survey, and there were 2 main questionnaires related to motivation and also online learning engagement. Students were also requested to complete some reflection sheet at the end of the course, and we also analyzed and organized the chat archive in the group chat. Now what to do before class? So the teacher had to plan and adjust the lessons beforehand, design and adapt the lesson, and also the learning resources, and send notifications to the students. The students also had to access the learning materials and sometimes post questions. And during the class, the teacher has to brainstorm ideas from the class, assign exercise, organize discussion and group work, and the students, on the other hand, has to contribute ideas to brainstorm and take part in the discussions and also group work. And of course, they have to complete the exercise. Now, after the class, the teacher has to conduct some assessment, give feedbacks, and assign more challenging tasks. The students, of course, has to learn in depth by interacting with their teacher and their peers. This is also done by doing more exercises and giving feedbacks to their peers. Now with the reflection. So according to my research, there are some findings that I found. First, there is a high rate of online learning engagement. There is also strong intrinsic motivation to online learning engagement. And according to the qualitative data, we have found that there was learning engagement and empowerment. And as we can see, there are some strong discussions, focused discussion, and also strong engagement, as we can see from the input from the students and how they use the multimodal resources in their WhatsApp discussions, for example, and we can have like a lot of fun during the discussion. Okay, so this one is the conclusion. The pros or the positive sides are strong learning ownership through collaboration, positive attitude to language learning, and also simplicity, clarity, and also connectivity. But there are some negative sides such as poor internet connection, exhaustion due to extensive screening time, and lack of face-to-face interaction.
Okay, as you can see, even by using one single platform, there are always exciting and interesting ways to engage our students in meaningful English language learning. Hope you find the video useful and stay innovative. Thank you.